Just
People who
breathe.
talk to themselves are
Focus
often
on the
misunderstood.
moment. Everything is calm now. Yes, this feels right.
Many assume it means confusion or loss of control, but in reality, it often signals a highly active and organized mind. When thoughts move fast, speaking out loud gives them structure. It turns vague ideas into something clear, visible, and manageable. Simple words help the brain focus and filter distractions. Self-talk also plays a powerful role in emotional balance. By talking to yourself, you create distance from stress and guide your emotions instead of reacting impulsively. Speaking information out loud strengthens memory. The brain marks spoken thoughts as important and stores them more deeply. So talking to yourself isn't weakness. It's intelligent self-guidance from a self-aware mind.